Want to know how to track your marketing campaign performance in Salesforce? You're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to easily monitor your campaigns, track key metrics, and optimize your marketing strategy using Salesforce's powerful features. Stick around, because I'm also sharing an exclusive extended free trial to Salesforce at the end. You won't want to miss that. First things first, in Salesforce, you can track your marketing campaign performance by leveraging the Campaigns object. This tool allows you to tie your marketing efforts directly to your sales results, so you can see how each campaign is performing at every stage. To get started, you'll need to create a new campaign. From there, you can define its type, status, and other key details like expected revenue and start/end dates. Next, link your leads, contacts, and opportunities to the campaign. This helps you tie your marketing activities directly to the sales results. For instance, if you've run an email marketing campaign, you can track how many leads came in and how many of those converted into actual sales. This allows you to track the ROI of your campaigns easily. The third thing to do is leverage campaign reports. Salesforce comes with built-in reports that allow you to drill into the data and see which campaigns are working and which need some adjustments. You can create a custom report by selecting the campaign performance report type and filtering the data by specific timeframes or campaign metrics. This is how you can understand which channels are bringing in the most revenue or which strategies need improvement. Next thing, tracking conversions. Salesforce allows you to track how well your campaigns convert, so you can see not just the number of leads you've generated, but also how many of those are actually moving through the sales funnel. You can monitor this using the Campaign Influence feature, which links leads and opportunities back to the campaigns they originated from. With this tool, you'll have visibility into the entire customer journey, from initial contact to closed deals. The fifth thing is to use the marketing automation tools within Salesforce, such as Pard. If you're using Pard, you can set up automated marketing workflows that sync directly with your Salesforce campaigns, so when a lead takes an action, like downloading a guide or attending a webinar, it gets automatically tied back to the right campaign in Salesforce. This makes tracking and optimization even more seamless. Now, the final thing to mention, setting up campaign hierarchies. This feature allows you to group multiple campaigns under one umbrella. For example, if you're running multiple ads for one big event, you can group them under a single campaign and track their overall performance. This way, you get a higher level view of how your campaign cluster is doing and whether your overall strategy is on track. So, that's how to track marketing campaign performance in Salesforce. From creating campaigns to analyzing performance and automating follow-ups, Salesforce makes it easy to measure your marketing impact and optimize your strategy for better results. Don't forget, the link in the description below gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial of Salesforce with extra bonuses. Try it out and start optimizing your marketing efforts today.